so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So hey guys, welcome to the channel. On June I uploaded this paper launcher video, and on it many comments were coming that this video is fake. We are not able to make launcher. The launcher is getting bent due to rubber band power. So in this video I will be showing you in detail way how to make this launcher. For making launcher you have to use thick paper. Here I am using this notebook cover. You can also use this wedding invitation card. You have to not use this A4 Xerox paper because it will bend due to the power of rubber band. So now I am cutting this notebook cover into square piece. After cutting this notebook cover into square, just follow the steps as shown in the video and your paper launcher will be ready. So friends, here is our launcher ready. You can see that our launcher is not getting bent. Now we will start with making paper plane. So for making paper plane, here I am using notebook paper only. You can also use A4 paper or Xerox paper. So here is our paper plane ready. I have also made this kind of paper plane, and if you want to learn how to make this paper plane, then full video link is given in description box. You can watch from there. So friends, I hope this video was useful for you, and if it was, then please like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We will meet in next video. Thanks for watching.